If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To arrange path components or shapes within a single selected shape layer in the Layers panel or path in the Paths panel in Photoshop, choose the Path Selection tool in the Tools panel. Then click to select the path component or shape within the path or shape layer, whose arrangement in the stack of shapes or path components you want to change. Then click the Path Arrangement button in the Options bar control panel. Then select where to move the selected path component or shape in the stack of shapes or path components within the selected shape layer or path. Your choices include Bring Shape to Front, which moves it to the top of the stack, Bring Shape Forward, which moves it forward one level in the stack, Send Shape Backward, which moves it back one level in the stack, or Send Shape to Back, which sends it to the back of the stack. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.